Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over how you get free leads to your website in 2021. All right, now, so the first traffic source is going to be Leads Leap. I'm going to do a quick overview review on that. All right, so what can you get from Leads Leap? So in short, you get excuse me, free traffic to your websites. You get a free autoresponder service, your own list, not co-owned. All right, so you get to keep those leads and send broadcast emails out to them. Right, you get a free page builder, hosted included. You get a free pop-up generator, free link tracker that could differentiate differentiate between bot and human traffic. You could make free money while benefiting from all of these as well. All right. So basically, almost everything you need to create a successful online business can be found in your free membership. All right. So free traffic, free tools, free money, 4 different ways you could earn from the system. All right. Let's go ahead and review that. All right. So here's the 4 ways and the testimonials from different people. All right. Oh, that's a part of the program. So participate in our pay-per-click program. All right. Become an active member. You can activate your member. You can be an active member with just 10 ad clicks uh, via your ad widgets every single day. That's just putting it out there, getting paid or free traffic. Once they click on the ad, that ad widget, you get paid from that. Convert your credits into cash. All right. Earn recruiting affiliate commissions, which is pretty much you're promoting Leads Leap like I am. All right. So we're going to go over to the second traffic source, which is Networkers List. All right, so Networkers List is not, I wouldn't say a brand new, but fairly new program that launched a couple months ago. All right, now you could earn $20. No, wait, you could earn a $15 commission. It's $20 per month. This is a monthly residual income. All right, now as you can see here, I already have $15 in my balance, and I referred one person already. So the good thing about this program is it's a reverse two-up power system. So I got my guy in. The next person I bring in goes to my upline, and then same for my downline. The next person he brings in one person for him. The next person he brings in goes directly to me. Third person goes to him, and the fourth person goes to me, and so on and so on. All right. Well, it ends at 4, but I mean it. So you could just see the power of the system. All right. Now, as a promotional center, you could grab the promotional links and start promoting it. It has web banners as well in the back office. All right. You could put your programs you're affiliated with here. Like me, I'm in WebTalk as well, so I got that here. Anyone who I bring in will see this, and if they're interested, they could click on it and then join it. So that's another powerful tool that this system has. All right. Let's see here, and they have what we call ads boards. All right. So you could just simply view all. You could add. You could go ahead and add your board here. You put in any system that you're in, like WebTalk, Leads Leap. All right, and then they have a 2x2 matrix, powerful matrix coming up that's launching in the first week of February. All right, now that will add up over time. All right, and you don't have to recruit. That's the good thing to be a part of this. You could just um, join in for $25 every 2 months, and then you get two members, and then your downline get 2 members. But like I said before, with this program, this is a secondary add-on to Networkers List. You don't need to recruit at all with this. All right, now that's going to be very powerful. You can make thousands of dollars a month with no recruiting at all. All right, so we're going to move over to the third and final program, which is WebTalk. WebTalk is a new social media platform that just launched. They did come out with their app as well too for Android and iPhone. All right, and another feature that they're coming out with, you're gonna get every time you refer someone, you'll get up to $5 per referral. And that's gonna be very powerful. All right, now we're gonna go to the dashboard, and you could also earn just by posting, commenting on the platform as well, unlike Facebook and Instagram. All right. Now I'm going to show you another powerful tool that the possibilities with this program. So let's go down here. Go further down. So just click on, oops, hold on. Let's go back here to get qualified. And then we're going to calculate your earnings, okay? The income calculator. This is not, of course, guaranteed, but this is what's possible with the program. So say how many engagement points will you earn per month? And I already earned, I believe it was around 3,600 points already. And let's see, 40,000. All right, with that already, that's already what, $4 per month. All right, and then I already, it says how many people can you invite into WebTalk? I invited, I think over 20, 25. Invited 24 already. Okay, so it says here how many engagement and influencer points will your referrals earn per month? Say let's just lowball it. Say they don't come in and they don't do much. So it's 1,000 points. So that's $6 per month. I mean, that's maybe not a lot of money, but that does build over time. And how many of them go pro? Let's say 1%. And how many people will your referrals invite to WebTalk? So 5, it says here 5 is the average, so we'll just do 5. All right, so that's just what I already have now. And once they become more active, I get over $2,253 per month. And that's just me being conservative. Now, if they really want to get on board and start recruiting this thing like crazy, which I think will happen, I'll get even more money per month, probably even up to $8,000 per month. Now, if you are interested in any of the programs I mentioned, just go ahead and click on the link below. All of the programs that I mentioned are free except the Networkers List, which is $20 per month. But like I said, you get a person in that'll pay for itself. All right, go ahead and click on the link below. Thank you for listening.